Investing in an SSD is a wise choice if you want to maximize the performance of your Asus ROG Ally and Ally X. We'll talk about 3 outstanding SSDs that are notable for their speed, robustness, and general performance.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Teamgroup MP44S SSD. For users with an Asus ROG Ally, the Teamgroup SSD is a fantastic option because it provides excellent performance at a reasonable cost. This drive is well known for its exceptional performance, which guarantees quick read and write operations and greatly reduces game and application loading times. The best option for increasing the capacity of lightweight devices. Compact and effective with a compact form factor of 22 by 30 mm and sequential read/write rates of up to 5,000 and 3,500 Mbps, respectively. Add a heat-dissipating graphene label to improve system operating stability and heat dissipation. TB-grade enormous capacity in a small package with Gen 4 read/write speed compatible with PCI Gen 3 interface. Installation is simple and hassle-free due to the perfect interoperability with the Asus Rog Ally. You may enjoy the improved speed and performance nearly instantly after upgrading your smartphone with no effort. For anyone seeking a fantastic balance of speed, durability, and price without sacrificing quality, this drive is a great choice. On number 2, we have WD Black SN770M SSD. The WD Black SSD is designed to satisfy the needs of gamers who want dependable performance. It easily manages the most taxing games and apps thanks to its remarkable read and write speeds. Use rates of up to 5,150 Mbps of supercharge-compatible portable devices for lightning-fast level loads and game installations. With up to 2 TB of reliable Western Digital TLC 3D NAND storage, you can play more and bigger games wherever you are. Because of the SSD's smooth compatibility with the Asus ROG Ally, installation is simple, and you can begin using it nearly right away. The sturdy construction of the WD Black SN770M is another noteworthy feature. This SSD is long-lasting and made to endure the demands of demanding games. Additionally, it has varied storage capacities to meet different needs, whether you need a modest increase or a lot of storage for a big collection of games. On number 3, we have Corsair MP6600 Core Mini SSD. For Asus ROG Ally users looking for strong performance in a small package, the Corsair MP6600 Core Mini SSD is an excellent choice. For quick read, write, and response times, a PCI Gen 4 X4 controller may achieve sequential read rates of up to 5,000 Mbps and write speeds of up to 3,800 Mbps. Gen 4 PCI X4 nvme 1.4 high-speed 2-user interface. Excellent storage performance is provided by the MP600 Core Mini, which uses PCI Gen 4 technology for maximum bandwidth. Offers the perfect balance of capacity and performance to maintain your drive's peak performance for many years. The Corsair MP600 Core Mini's user-friendly design makes it simple to install in your Asus ROG Ally. Its small size allows for easy device integration, and its cutting-edge technology guarantees fast loading times and optimal responsiveness. Whether you need a little extra space for critical apps or a lot of room for a huge collection of games, the SSD is available in a range of storage capacities to suit your demands. For individuals who require both speed and longevity from their storage options, its robustness and dependable operation make it a wise investment. So these are some of the best SSD to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.